Life throws challenges your way, and the ordinary often cowers in fear. But let's be honest, are you here to be ordinary? No. You are wired for greatness, and greatness demands a relentless pursuit. Every setback isn't a roadblock, it's an invitation to rise stronger. Embrace the grit, the grind, and the glorious chaos that comes with chasing your dreams. Action is your weapon. Use it. When others quit, you dig deeper. Each action you take, no matter how small, builds momentum, propelling you toward your goals. Understand this. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about creating your own moment through relentless action. You will face obstacles, and that's the beautiful part. Each challenge is an opportunity to demonstrate your unwavering spirit. So, when life pushes you down, push back harder. Cultivate a mindset where failure is just feedback, not the end. Transform setbacks into stepping stones. Trust in your ability to overcome and thrive. Your destiny isn't waiting for you to catch up, it's waiting for you to leap forward. Commit to unyielding action and watch as the world bends to your will.